How to enable SoFi investment auto transfer. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable SoFi investment auto transfers. This guide will walk you through the steps to set up automatic transfer into your SoFi investment account so you can invest consistently and easily. SoFi's auto transfer feature helps automate your investments by moving money from your linked bank account to your investment account on a schedule you choose. This is great for building wealth steadily and staying committed to your financial goals without needing to transfer funds manually every time. First, open the SoFi mobile app on your smartphone and log in using a registered email and password. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for a smooth experience. From the app's home screen, navigate to the Invest section. Here, you will see a list of your investment accounts. Select the account where you want to enable auto transfers. Inside your chosen investment account, look for the auto transfer option. Tap on it, then select Set up Auto Transfer to begin configuring your settings. Next, choose the funding source, usually your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to invest automatically and pick how often the transfer should happen, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Once you have entered your details, review them carefully to ensure everything is correct. When you're ready, tap Enable Auto Transfer. You will then receive a confirmation notification that your auto transfer has been successfully set up. And that's it. You have now successfully enabled auto transfer for your SoFi investment account. With this feature, you can automate your investing, stay consistent, and keep growing your portfolio without the hassle of manual transfers. Thank you for watching this tutorial.